Forgive me, it is 80 degrees outside. So it is hot in here, but as well as hot outside. So today's video is eBay authenticity. Is it guaranteed or not? All right, so for those that sell online, this happened to me recently, so I want to make this video so I can address it to those who do sell sneakers online, and if you're having the same problem that I'm having. It's the first time I had this problem, and I want to address it because if you don't do nothing about it, you pretty much get the bad end of the stick here. So the sneakers that we're going to go ahead with and talk about is this pair right here. This is a Nike Shock vintage sneakers. I'll have the image up here as well. I have the sneakers with me for this video. Now, these sneakers are Nike Shocks. I believe it's one of the first Nike Shocks that came out. This is 2002. So it is over 20 years old. I consider this vintage. Now, let me just give you a good overview of the of the video of the item here so you guys can see. These are legit sneakers, okay? This, I pretty much, as people know, I buy sneakers at a cheap cost and then I flip them online for a higher cost. This one was 11 bucks. I had this pair of sneakers on my eBay store for now, I want to say a good year. Now, these sneakers, I had a lot of people message me on eBay asking if I can lower the cost. So I had them for $100, and then little by little, I had them liquidated to $90, $85, and then somebody bought these for $79.99, and this happened recently. So for those that do sell online and sell sneakers, there's this thing where there's eBay Authenticity Guaranteed, where somebody's gonna buy your sneakers and then you don't ship it to your customer. You have to ship it to one of the locations that eBay tells you to ship it to, so that they can have their authenticators look at the sneakers and they ship it to your customer. That sounds pretty cool. The shipping is free, but it's only free when you're shipping it to the authenticator. But you will get charged when the sneakers leave the authenticator and it goes to your customer. You will get charged for that. So these sneakers, I'm going to show you images of what I listed in the item, the actual real photos. So I sold them, I want to say on a Tuesday or maybe on a Wednesday. Shipped them out on Thursday. By Saturday, I get a message from my authenticator stating that these sneakers failed inspection, unable to authenticate, and then it gives you a click. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'm trying to provide everything in this video so you can see. I'm trying to be transparent here. They messaged me. I can click on the message stating why it was the failed inspection, and then it was because one of the shoes was missing a tag. I'm like, oh man, that sucks. I lost the sale there. I was glad it wasn't because it was a fake sneaker. They are real sneakers. These are 2002. I'm going to show you guys the tag right now. So when I received, mind you, this also here, it's in the photos, okay? So the customer was well aware that there's a burnt mark on the sneaker. It looks like a cigarette. Probably the person was driving and the cigarette fell, I'm assuming, and it just fell on the sneaker. Well, either way, I failed inspection. So I had no other choice, but they automatically refunded my customer, and then these sneakers had to go shipped back to me and I had to pay for them. So in my head, I'm like, oh man, that sucks that one of the shoes was missing a tag, because in the listing, in the photos, only one shoe has a tag, but all my listings of all my sneakers, I only show a tag of one of the sneakers just so the customers can know that they're legit. I'm not gonna show two photos of the two tags. It just doesn't make sense. So I waited for them to arrive. They came in a big box. I opened it up and I looked at the sneakers and I received this right here, this tag with this. And it says, we're returning this item to you because it was found to be significantly different from the listing description. To learn more, scan the QR code with your smart device. Okay. Then I also see that the sneaker that they were referring to was this sneaker. Why? Because they put this on it. This is eBay, this is not me. And there was also a label somewhere here. I'll look for it later. Well, either way, it was like it looks like a shipping label, but it wasn't. It had description on it on why it was being returned to me. But it doesn't give me the reason. I have to go into my account and then click on it and then give me the reason. The only reason was missing tag, the sneaker. So I opened that box, I look at both of my shoes, I'm like, damn, that sucks that that I didn't notice that one of the tags was missing. So this is the one without that tag, the eBay tag that they have. And I'm looking at it, and the tag is right there. Now, this is a 2002 model, so keep that in mind that this doesn't have the tag that's over here, like that rubber tag that's pressed onto the cloth. No, this is old school. So this is when the tags were still like this. And you can tell how it looks. This is September 28th, 2002. This is when the sneaker was made. So then I go ahead and look at this sneaker, and I'm looking at it. I'm like, damn, that sucks that this one didn't pass. It has a tag here that they put in. And then as I look, sure enough, the tag was right there. Yeah, it's hard to get to, but it's right there. That's the tag. So it blew my mind. I'm like, great, I just lost a tag. I lost the sale. Now I have to spend my time contacting eBay and figuring out what happened, why they failed inspection. So I called on eBay. It wasn't that long. Gave them my phone number. They called me back within 2 minutes. Spoke to a lady. I'm not sure if I should say it because I need to protect eBay's workers. But the person that I spoke with, it was very cool, calm, asked me what was going on. They clicked on the link of the sneakers that failed inspection, and then they read and they saw it why, because of the missing tag. So I told them, I have both sneakers here. I just received it. I opened up the box, and both sneakers do have the shoe size tag on them. She asked if I can send her the photos. I told her I already took photos of everything. I'm ready to give it to you. Just give me an email address. She goes, oh, I'm going to send you a message through your eBay account. You can provide the photos there. I'm going to try to put that all here on the screen so you guys can see. But as we're talking, I'm letting her know that I'm upset because I lost a sale. I sold these sneakers for $80. Now my customer got their money back, lost the sale, and now my customer has every right to leave me a bad message because they may think the inspection failed because I sold them fake sneakers or something along the line. So I don't want my customer to think that I'm not legit and I'm selling fake sneakers, because I have a 100% feedback. I've been a seller since 2008. So I want people to know who buy sneakers from me that you're only buying real sneakers. You are getting what you see. I do my best to provide the best clear photos. So when I told her all this, that that the sneakers were returned for me for no reason, and I had to refund the customer and I lost that sale, the person was very cool, eBay worker, and they said the best they can do is give me a $50 eBay gift card, not through the mail, but through my credit, through the account. So if I go on my eBay account and I find something that I want to purchase, it has an option for me to click so I can use that $50 on a purchase through eBay, which is pretty cool. I used it right away within hours, just in case they took it back or something. So that is why I made this video, because of some situation like this. I told that person, the eBay worker, that please look at the photos, not investigate, or if that's an option, investigate and speak to the authenticator that they messed up, that both sneakers did have a tag on them, and that they just didn't spend enough time looking through the shoe to look through the tag. I took multiple photos, some clear photos of both sneakers showing both tags, so the person doesn't think I was doing a switcheroo or just did some random tag and sewed it on. No, this is the legit tag from 2002. Both of them are. But that's my story for today. That's what I went through. But if you guys are having problems with the eBay Authenticator, please contact eBay. Even if your sneakers are legit and they fail and they get back to you, they send it back to you, and then you have to refund the customer, and it makes you look bad. If you know they are legit and both tags, you do your homework, you do your research, and they're both legit, contact eBay. They can do the best. Again, this was an $80 sneaker. The best that they can do is give me a $50 eBay gift card. Watch yourself out there. For those that love selling sneakers, cool. Watch my channel, because my channel is based on selling sneakers online, making money online, how to maintain your vehicle, and how to maintain your home. Everything that I pretty much do in the real world, I record it for anyone that's interested, who's trying to save a buck and try to do everything in a DIY status. All right, everyone, this is Mark Bryce, and I'll catch you guys later.